fall. Such a wonderful time of the year. Come celebrate the changing of the seasons with 5 of our favorite traditions. Going to the pumpkin patch.
Picking out some pumpkins.
Whoa! Pumpkins!
Pumpkin.
If you see a pumpkin you like, put it on the cart and we can take it home. Are you going to take that pumpkin home?
No.
Let's go check it out.
Got our pumpkins.
This morning, I said I had a fun idea, and Davey said cookies. And that was a much funner idea than what I had. So we're gonna make cookies.
Yeah.
This butter inside here.
Making cookies.
You want to eat the cookies?
Yes.
Okay, when they're almost done.
Oh, good.
They look perfect. You hear that thunder?
Yeah.
How's your cookie? Is it good? You making milk art? Are we sitting watching the rain? And eating grapes. Who's that cutie? Who is it? Who's that cutie? Where'd she go? That's it. Oh, there's Scout. Davey, where did Davey go?
So beef.
Newborn day and that still warm glow. Life's in long lost times ago. Close my eyes so I can see the light. Time stands still while the sun goes round. Distant winds making silent sounds. Daylight waiting to come relieve the night. So let it shine, 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 shine on me.
Ho 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 trees. Time to decorate for Halloween. Boo.
Oh, you want him to hold Penguin?
On
What's that one, Scout?
Bow.
We're gonna hang up the cobwebs.
That's to me.
Got you. Oh, it got you. Uh-oh, it got me. Oh, it got baby penguin. What does the ghost say?
Hi, guys.
We're going to Cornbelly.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Picking pet.
Grab a cookie.
Hot.
Oh, the whole thing, huh? Go, Scouty, go!
Are we ready to go down this?
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared!
Okay, here we go.
Yay!
Ready?
Bye-bye.
What a fun time we've had!
So awesome.
It's been so good. Thanks so much for joining us on our fall adventures. You're awesome. Hope you have a great day. Ah!
Gaga. Gaga.
Okay, I'll follow you. Where should we go?
Here.
Oh, that's a pumpkin. Here- Oh. Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?